friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be redoing these pots. I'm here with my son. We're going to be doing this pot and that pot. Sure.
We're getting so these things are a little empty and like redoed, like all the plants are like breaked up and they fall off. So we're gonna decide to put it back together in this one.
Okay, and why are those plants taken off? What do we do? What did Mama do? Why do these not have the piece of the plants on there?
Because they died.
Mm-mm.
What? Because they cut it off.
Mommy cut them off. Yeah, those were leggy. So I took cuttings. This was my Ionian kiwi, and that was my grassula. There, the green one. So we're gonna be doing this today. I'm gonna pull out all the plants from there, and pull out these stems. And I know that can regrow, so I'm probably gonna keep that because I like pulling cuttings from there. So
Mama,
probably put that somewhere else.
Mama,
Yes.
I think they're not gonna regrow.
You don't think so? We'll keep on looking at it, okay? Every day we'll check if it has any new growth. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So stay tuned.
Watch Mama's and Son's channel. Every time we'll be doing everything. We'll be doing redoing plants and putting pots together. Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, let's get started on this one.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull out these plants.
Huh?
I'm gonna need it now.
I'll take out this baby.
Dead leaves and stuff.
Me too.
You sure you don't put gloves on?
No.
Okay, so we'll add more soil.
I found Dilly.
Perfect. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, go ahead, check it out.
Oh.
Carefully. Careful, baby. Okay. You're checking for willies?
Huh?
You're checking for
Millies.
willies, okay.
Checking for millies in here.
Alright, so let's add some soil to there. Wanna put some soil in there for me?
Sure.
Okay. Come on.
Whoa, I found a cool looking rock. It's shining.
Cool.
I want to keep this rock.
Okay, can you put this soil in?
I want to put it right there.
Okay.
Put this on.
2 hands. Come
Okay.
out. Alright, So now we're going to see we're gonna pot up here. I just cut this guy. It was a clean cut. It had a lot of babies around it. I'll show you after. But I cut this so I could put this in the back here. I'm gonna put this L back in there. I do want it to grow pretty big, so I'm gonna place this one back in there.
Hey, those look like exactly the same because this one has green leaves, that one has other green leaves, and this one has dots, and that one has dots. So they look like the same.
I'll go like that. Putting this one up. I had to pause on that one because I was doing a lot of cuttings, and it's supposed to rain on Sunday, which it's Friday today, so it's only 2 days, so I don't want anything to rot. So I'm pausing on that, leaving that one. That one has roots, but now I'm gonna work on this one with rooted plants so that I don't have any rot. So the ones I took cuttings, I took some cuttings for the other back one, but now I'm just gonna work out with I'm gonna let those callus over in a dry space. They're not wet. They don't get wet, and then I'm gonna do this one here. Okay. Like that. Cut off some of those dead things, but it's fine. Back here I'm going to put this aeonium. I forgot what the name of it is, but it's some type of aeonium. Like that. Just like that. Then, let's see here. I'm gonna pop this one in back there too. I don't know what this one's called. It's so pretty and variegated though. If you know, please tell me what it is. Some color here. So I have this agavoides, and my agavoides that I'm pulling out, they weren't really doing good in the pots. So hopefully in here they'll be able to thrive, do better than they were doing. Those have very shallow roots, so I'm just making a little hole and then popping them in. I do have these as well. I'm gonna pop them in there too. I'm not sure what these are called. So these cuttings are calloused over, so I'm gonna pop these in.
It looks so beautiful.
You like it?
Mama, you still need to do that one.
Yeah, baby.
But it's going to take a lot more work.
Well, that one I got cuttings for, so I have to wait because it's supposed to rain on Sunday. So I can't put my cuttings in there yet. But this one looks nice and full. This one looks nice and full.
Looks pretty.
Like it. Alright, so there it is. My fullest arrangement yet.
Mama?
Hopefully they grow in nicely. Here's my mess.
Mama. Excuse me, Mama. I'm now gonna take a picture of that, of my thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi.
Alrighty, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!